Hi everybody, my name is Paul Malstrom and this is your 2-minute mortgage tip. Many of my clients ask me if it's worth their while to take their traditional 30-year mortgage and convert it to a bi-weekly mortgage schedule. The very first question I ask them is, do you have any consumer debt? Because if you have any consumer debt whatsoever, that should be paid to zero before you embark on any equity acceleration product. So that's established. Let's say that you have a $300,000 30-year fixed rate mortgage at 4.5%. Your principal and interest payment is $1,520.06. Your tax and insurances are $379.94, arriving at a total PITI of $1,900. This payment is due on the first of the month and you have a 15-day grace period. Remember that point. 30 years worth of payments, you would pay $547,000 and change in total payments. That means you're paying about $247,000 in interest charges over the 30 years. Okay, moving forward, let's take a look at what happens if you make this a biweekly mortgage. You'll pay someone an enrollment fee, usually around $300. Your payment will be half of $1,900. It'll be $950 every 2 weeks. That's 26 cycles in a year, which means you're paying an extra $1,900 once a year. Now here's where the myth comes in. Most people think that because they're paying extra, and by the way, you start paying this $950 right away. You're actually paying it before your mortgage due date. Because you're paying that early, you feel like your loan should be amortizing in your favor right away. It doesn't happen that way. Whoever you're paying this payment to is paying your mortgage payment on your behalf once a month, and they're paying extra principal once every 6 months. So every 6 months, there are 3 biweekly segments. That's when this extra $950 is applied toward your principal. This loan will pay off faster. 24 years and 9 and a fraction months, you'll pay a total of $498,000, so you'll save $49,000 over the traditional mortgage. Not bad, but something's even better. You can do this yourself without paying any kind of enrollment fee. And by the way, remember I said there was a 15-day grace period here? In this one, there is no grace period. In fact, you may be charged biweekly fees to have your account debited because you will be required to pay these every 2 weeks by an auto draft from your checking or savings account. So there's no grace period there, not even a day. So here, you'll make your regular payment, pay an extra $158.33 per month. That's 1/12 of this. Pay this on your own. And at the end of the year, at the end of 24 years and 8 months, so it pays off slightly faster, you save a little bit more money. You're not paying anybody any enrollment fee. You're not paying any biweekly charges, and you have control of this. Is this a good idea? For someone with no financial discipline, it's not a bad idea. But for someone like me who likes to do things myself and save, that's what I'm going to do. This is Paul Malstrom, and this has been your 2-minute mortgage tip.